With summer hitting this hard, Sham ki chai needs a little break. Something cool and refreshing just makes more sense right now. So I'm starting a 3-part summer drink series, simple, easy drinks you can actually make at home. Some sweet and some with little kick. And first up is Imli soda. I made the tamarind extract at home, added sugar, salt, red chili powder and jeera powder. Coated the glass edges with salt and chili powder to make it little exciting. Poured the tamarind extract into the glass, added ice cubes and green chili. Now it's time to add the soda into the concussion. This was super refreshing and properly chatpata. Try it yourself and let me know. And guess what's coming next?